Okay, so we're going to be working on a cast iron small block Chevy head. This is off a 283 from 1957. It is a crusty old cylinder head, as we can see. Customer wants bronze valve guides, some roller rockers, and obviously clean up valves and that. So we're going to give it a tear down, throw it in the oven bake system, shot peen it, and then we'll go through and do the rest. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, this set of keepers is pretty much coked in here. And so the last set I took apart, a little trouble getting them off, so I'm going to put that in there to help loosen it up. I'm going to use our tool here, valve spring compressor, pneumatic valve spring compressor. Alright, this is our pneumatic valve spring compressor. We're going to clip on our compressed air here. These are our buttons to extend and retract the pneumatic ram. Pneumatic ram is adjustable. We want to make sure that we adjust it so that it will push down on the spring enough to get the keepers loose, but we don't need to slam the springs in the coil bind or anything. And then this piece right here goes around the spring retainer, and it is adjustable for size as well, so that we can get it set to the correct size retainer. And then once we have compressed the spring, we can use a little magnet, either a pocket screwdriver, or I got this nice little super powerful thin magnet from Goodson. It works well. And we'll use that to pull the keepers out. It's got an old valve stem seal, and we're just going to give it a little tap because it's going to just break apart from being so old. And then we've got it, so this one here has got a pretty mushroomed tip that's going to keep it from coming out, so we're going to need to hit that with a file. So we've got the tip of the valve is mushroomed here, and so what we need to do is we need to file the burr off of it, the tip, so we can get this valve to come out. Go on our tray. Now that the cylinder head has been disassembled, it's ready to be placed in the oven for cleaning.